Hello children, how are you children? Today's social subject we are going to start lesson number 2. Open your textbooks, page number 270. What is the lesson name children? Latitudes and longitudes. So have you listened to these words latitudes and longitudes? Today we are going to discuss about what is meant by latitude, what is meant by longitude. So before going to this, you are going to see the warm-up table. They have given a sculpture in the picture. Sculpture is nothing but a statue. So find out what it is. They said what it is means it is one of the statue which is introduced in London Greenwich. It is a prime meridian line for 0 degrees longitude at Greenwich in London. So what is meant by prime meridian? What is meant by longitude? These all we will discuss in the lesson. Then after discussing the lesson only you come to know. So this sculpture is introduced for what purpose? Understood children? Actually in previous days, people used to visit some places. How to visit those place, new place means how to visit, they have the doubt. But nowadays, we want to visit any place means first we will search the Google and we will go for landmarks. It will give all the information about that place, which is the famous monument and which is the landmarks for that place. Everything information will be getting through the Google. How it will get? There will be a unique information, isn't it, for particular place. So that is nothing but in order to identify a particular place, particular reference point, these latitudes and longitudes are helpful for us. So in order to introduce the topic, so in order to go for a new place also we need latitudes and longitudes. They will only tell about that place. Understood? Where it is located. Understood? So have you seen globe children? On the globe so many lines will be there. Those are called imaginary lines that run from north to south and east to west on a globe. These are imaginary lines. So we use these imaginary lines to find exact location of place on a map or on a globe. These imaginary lines only are lines of latitude and lines of longitude. Today we are going to discuss what is meant by latitude and what is meant by longitudes. What is meant by longitude? Here we will observe a picture called latitudes. Latitudes are nothing but imaginary lines which will run from east to west. Which will run from east to west. So they encircle the earth horizontally. Are you observing this picture? They encircle the earth horizontally. So the lines which are parallel and lie at an equal distance from one another. These are only parallels of latitude. Parallels are nothing but lying in the same direction but always at the same distance. At the same distance. So a line which passes exactly through the center of the earth, which is the longest, it is known as equator. It is known as equator. So you are observing this is the north pole, this is the south pole. The center of the line is called equator. And the equator divides the earth into two equal halves. Those are called hemispheres. Hemispheres above the equator is northern hemisphere and below it is called southern hemisphere. Those pictures also I will show you. These are lines of latitudes. And coming to the next picture, this is the picture. So see here, this is the equator. Center of the line that passes through that is called equator, which is longest one. And above the equator is northern hemisphere, and below the equator is southern hemisphere. Below the equator is southern hemisphere. Are you observing? So this is the picture. Next, so these lines of latitudes are labeled in degrees children. The equator is the 0 degrees latitude and latitudes of the northern hemisphere are degree N and southern hemisphere degree south. They are 90 degrees south and 90 degrees north. Next, some important latitudes. Already we are discussing about that. Equator 0 degrees, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degrees north, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south, Arctic Circle 66.5 degrees north, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south. So Tropic of Cancer passes through the India. So these are some important latitudes. First one is we have discussed equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. So these you need to remember and practice, because for bits we will ask how many degrees Tropic of Cancer, how many degrees Tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic Circle, Arctic Circle, equator also will ask. Understood, children? Are you clear up to here? So next class we'll discuss about the longitudes. Okay, children, thank you.